Independence Day speech for kids. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Ishita. Today, I feel proud to speak about India's Independence Day. Every year, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. On this special day, in 1947, our country became free after a long struggle. Many brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others sacrificed their lives so that we could live in a free India. We thank them from the bottom of our hearts. India is a land of many languages, cultures, and religions, but we are united as one family. We should always respect our national flag, love our country, help others, keep our surroundings clean, and study well to become good citizens. Let us promise to make India stronger, kinder, and brighter every day. I am proud to be an Indian. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.